Ever wonder how a baby's habits today can shape their future? Let's meet two babies, Leo and Mia. Leo's parents have a pretty relaxed approach. His bedtime is whenever he seems tired, which means some nights he's up late watching cartoons with them. His meals are a bit unpredictable too. Sometimes it's a healthy puree. Other times it's a few bites of whatever his parents are eating, like French fries or sugary snacks. His playtime often involves sitting with a tablet, which keeps him quiet and entertained for hours. It seems easy and convenient for everyone in the moment. Now, let's visit Mia. Her parents have set up a simple but consistent routine. Every night at 7 p.m., it's bath time, followed by a story and then bed. It doesn't matter if she seems wide awake, the routine signals to her body that it's time to wind down. Her meals are at regular times each day, filled with a variety of colorful fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. For playtime, her parents engage with her directly, building blocks, reading picture books, and playing peekaboo. It takes more effort, but they see it as an investment. As they grow into toddlers, the differences become clear. Leo often has trouble sleeping through the night. He can be fussy and irritable during the day, especially when he's hungry, because he doesn't have a predictable meal schedule. He's also more prone to tantrums when the tablet is taken away, as he hasn't developed many other ways to self-soothe or play independently. Mia, on the other hand, is generally a happy and well-rested toddler. Her body clock is tuned to her routine, so she sleeps well and has a good appetite at meal times. She's curious and creative during play, able to entertain herself with simple toys because that's what she's used to. She's learning emotional regulation through her interactions with her parents. This isn't about being a perfect parent, nobody is. It's about understanding the power of small, consistent habits. Creating a simple routine for sleep, meals, and play doesn't just make your life easier in the long run. It gives your child a foundation of security, health, and happiness that will benefit them for years to come. What small habit can you start today? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.